Hey everybody, this is a update here. We're about the middle of February. It's actually Valentine's Day, and as you can see in the North Texas garden, what do we have here? Snow. We are hitting one of our coldest and most snowy days kind of recording here in this part of the United States. You can see that it's actually starting to snow right now. We've had some snow overnight, and supposedly it's going to snow even more today. The temperature has been in the 20s, and it may even go a little bit further down. So, for a gardener, some things may be affected by this. As you can see, the artichoke there, the leaves have all kind of fallen over. And then some of the trees, while the trees are okay for sub-freezing weather, some of the plants may not be. So, the celery, the fava beans, it's just getting a little bit too cold for them. So, it's one of those freak things that happens, and there's really not much you can do about it other than replant. This is the remnants of the old garden from the fall. We'll simply have to replant, and things happen. We'll see what survives and what doesn't. Some of these plants, they're not going to do so good. But anyways, it's kind of cold out here. Now, it's pretty, right? Because the snow is always something pretty to look at, but for things like the blackberries, they should be okay, but we'll see what happens. So just a little garden update for everybody. Once this passes by, I'm sure that we'll soon get into March and the temperatures will go back into the 60s, and here comes the spring and summer again. But for right now in February, we're getting just enough cold to cause havoc. You can see the park behind us here, but yeah, just enough cold to cause havoc. And basically the Dallas-Fort Worth area here is basically shut down because it's snow, it could be ice, and that's about it. Everybody's just going to be hunkered inside to keep warm. So hopefully where you're at may be a little bit warmer, but for us, we have one of those freakish cold and snowstorms, and I'm getting a little bit cold, so I'm going back in. That's enough for me. Talk to you later.